AI drones have arrived. They will undoubtedly make the United States military stronger, but Congress has some very valid concerns. Here are a few. Ethical concerns. The use of AI drones raises ethical questions, especially regarding the potential for increased civilian casualties and damage to infrastructure in conflict zones. AI drones may lack the ability to distinguish between combatants and non-combatants or make split-second decisions based on complex moral judgments. Lack of accountability. Once AI is deployed, there is often a diminished level of human control and decision-making involved. This can create challenges in terms of assigning responsibility and accountability for any errors or unintended consequences that may occur during military operations. Arms races and proliferation. The increased reliance on AI-controlled military drones may lead to an arms race, as countries compete to develop and deploy more advanced technology. This could ultimately contribute to an escalation of conflicts and instability on a global scale, and potentially lead to widespread proliferation of AI drones designed to kill humans. Threat to human employment. The proliferation of AI drones may potentially result in the displacement of human military personnel. As the technology advances, there is a risk that AI drones could replace or significantly reduce the need for human soldiers, leading to job loss and potential societal impacts. Privacy and surveillance concerns. Widespread use of AI drones in military operations could raise concerns about invasion of privacy and the potential for mass surveillance. These drones can collect vast amounts of data, including tracking individuals, monitoring communications, and conducting reconnaissance. This can lead to potential abuses of power and violations of rights. Increased reliance on automation. The use of AI drones can result in an over-reliance on automation, potentially reducing the need for human decision-making and critical thinking skills. This can lead to a detachment from the consequences of military actions and a potential erosion of human judgment and accountability. Reduced transparency and accountability. AI drones may make it more challenging to understand and verify the decision-making process behind military actions. The complexity of AI algorithms and the lack of transparency in their functioning may hinder the ability to hold individuals or organizations accountable for any potential misuse or mistakes. Vulnerability to hacking and cyber attacks. AI drones can be exposed to cyber threats, such as hacking or tampering, which can result in unauthorized control or manipulation of their operations. This could lead to unintended consequences, including attacks on friendly forces, civilian populations, or critical infrastructure. Autonomous weapons and the lack of human control. As AI technology progresses, there is a concern about the potential development of autonomous AI weapons that can operate without human intervention. The lack of human control raises ethical concerns and the risk of unintentional harm or unintended escalation of conflict. Psychological impact and desensitization. The use of AI drones can distance operators from the realities of war and the human consequences of their actions. These implications require careful consideration, regulation, and ethical frameworks to ensure responsible use of AI drones in military contexts. It is important for policymakers and society as a whole to critically examine and address these concerns to ensure responsible and ethical use of AI drones in military operations. The future is here. AI drones are here. The question is, will they be used on American soil? Thanks for watching.